if you're a music producer, AI is here to take your job. And let me show you what I mean. So here I have just a demo song that I've been working on, right? And I'm just gonna play you a little bit.
Yeah, nice and light in the night. Stay with me, stay like this. Tell me now, tell me how you feel.
All right, so you get the point. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take just this section. We gotta make sure that it's under 60 seconds to upload it to the website. And then we'll take it here. AI taking my job. There we go. Upload. Where is it? AI taking my job. Here it is. And I'm gonna upload that. Just gonna click continue here. And so now here it is.
Nice and light in the night. Stay with me, stay like this. Tell me now.
So that sounded pretty good. And then let's just say that I want to change this style. So I'm going to change it to, even though it's already kind of pop, and I'm going to type in future bass. And then lastly, I'm going to do like, let's just do trap. All right. And then we want to make sure that, oh, so actually what we want to do is extend this. And then we make sure we're extending from the first second and extend. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, here we go. Pretty crazy. I thought it was gonna keep the vocals. Let's see, maybe this one. So for some reason it's not grabbing the vocals. I'm gonna try from like 15 seconds, and then we'll just do, I'm gonna type in stay with me and see what it comes up with. We'll keep the same genre for now. All right, I already came up with one.
Stay with me.
Crazy. Okay, next one. Let's listen to what I made. All right, let's try some different genres. If we did like dubstep, rhythm, and bass. All right, let's see what we got. All right, we got a couple combinations. Let's see what we are working with here. So that was pretty sick. All right, so that's amazing. Obviously, you can probably see the potential in that. Let's try one more. Other project here, pretty different vibe. But I want to add some vocals just because the AI makes the vocals always kind of different and cool. So I'm gonna add something really simple here. It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend, yeah. Use my AI friend, yeah. We don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend. It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. Alright. Now I'm gonna take this section, has to be under 60 seconds anyway. AI friend is what we're gonna call this one. AI friend. So I'm thinking we try something a little different with this one. It's like kind of country in a way. So let's see what we can do. Okay. So we can extend this one. Maybe we try like folk, country, EDM. It's gonna be like a fusion. Let's see what we get. All right, let's keep it simple. That was weird.
It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend. It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend. It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend.
All right, that's fire. Let's see what this one is.
It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend. It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend. It's alright, it's okay, we don't have to play pretend. It's alright, it's okay, I'ma use my AI friend.
Wow, so that's crazy. So yeah, AI is here to stay. It's your choice whether you fear it or see it as inspiration. I'm gonna see it as inspiration, and I love using these tools, so I'm excited to see where this goes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you would like to see anything else with these AI tools. All right, peace.